We don't make parts for motorcycles, we make parts for Harley Davidson. Started out with Devin making parts in the enclosed back porch of the house he was living in. Thanks for visiting the DK Custom Products video channel.
Here on the DK Custom Products channel, you'll find installation videos, reviews, tech tips, vlogs, even inside information on the manufacturing process of some of our parts.
We go in depth on why Harley Davidson does what they do. In the Harley manual, where it shows what the normal operating temperature is.
And you just look at these pictures and think about all that crap going into your engine, and you can thank the EPA.
This bike has forward controls. These floorboards work with forwards or mids, but as you can see, we're doing it on the set of forward controls.
Because what you have is you have people who are removing the cats, they're also changing their slip-ons, and they have a loss of power, and they do. They do get a loss of power.
Here at DK Custom Products, we offer parts that are street developed, street tested, and dyno proven. We operate under 3 core pillars, and they are manufacturing exceptional products, fast, accurate shipping, and superior customer service.
And again, this is a concern mostly for 2019 and earlier M8s. Do I need back pressure in my exhaust system to keep from burning my valves?
It's a good question. Good question.
What's the answer?
No.
We appreciate it when you watch the videos and leave comments. Please subscribe to the channel.
Hit that notification bell and always leave us a comment.
Y'all ride safe out there.